how you can get to your first 350 to 850 US dollars per day with TikTok affiliate marketing, with TikTok faceless channel and ClickBank affiliate marketing. So as you can see over here, right, we have had over 45 sales. Now this is over here 8,700 euro, which is actually more than 10,000 US dollars in the last 7 days. Now, how this works with affiliate marketing, with ClickBank and other affiliate networks out there, right? CPA offers. Let me show you here. Before Christmas, you can see exactly how you can launch this before Christmas to start having these affiliate results. So before I go into it, let me go over here so you can see in TikTok. And you can see in the last 28 days, right? I'm going to show you later. I have had 208,000 video views. Now my strategy is personal, as you can see over here when I click here, right? Exchange is 3,000 profile views. Now my strategy is to promote affiliate offers, digital products, info products that pay all the way from 75 US dollars to 300 or even 400 US dollars with, of course, upsell take rate, as each product should have some kind of upsells and downsells. Why? So you can maximize average order value and get, of course, better affiliate commissions. Now let me show you over here, right? 18,000 likes, and over here you see almost 700 comments, which is not really bad. It's really good actually, because it's all about engagement on faceless videos. So basically, without showing your face, without making any kind of videos yourself alone, you can get these kind of results. Now maybe you're wondering, okay, heck, how can I replicate and deploy these affiliate campaigns myself? Okay, let me share here with you so you can see exactly what we are doing. Okay, so you can see over here, right? The first thing you see is Gary Vaynerchuk. If you don't know him, you can Google him later, but very popular about TikTok shop and TikTok live selling. Now, why is this? Why I'm telling you this is because if you're a smart affiliate, you should know that if you're promoting ClickBank products, any other affiliate products, they're paying up to 90% commissions. So this means, let me show you over here, right? This means if you're getting paid 90% affiliate commissions, right, that all you have to do is you have to have one video per week. Let me show you over here, one video per week that you get viral views. Let's say 10,000 to 30,000 views per each video. Again, without showing your face, it's all faceless. And that one video is going to generate for you at least 350 to 860 US dollars per video. So that means if only one video, it's $3,400 per month or $1,408 USD, of course, per month. It's only one video. Okay, it's bare minimum. Okay, we're talking about minimum. Now, if one video per day hits, that means you can get from 10,000 to 25,000 US dollars per month. Okay, now as a beginner, what I would say is if you have 20 to 40 minutes per day or 30 minutes per day, all it takes is 10 minutes to make this video, to get it done. Okay, it's done for you. And then once it's up and running, yes, it's almost passive income. What you have to do is just check your TikTok channel and you post your affiliate link, your funnel in the top section of the comments. So everyone who's engaging, they will click on that and some of them will buy the products. And you as an affiliate, my friend, you get 90% commissions per day per each sale, right? So this is 3-step system. First of all, we find a profitable campaign niche. In my case, manifestation, personal development, self-help niche, it's huge, especially before Christmas and in New Year in January. Why? Because this is the goal-setting month. So lots of people are buying personal development books, self-help courses, and things like that, sort of nature. And it's instant product and instant commission. That's why it works. Okay, that's the main reason why I can get up and running as a beginner and start having results. Right? Because all it takes is having one video with great, hot, proven offer, and the money is coming in without selling your own products. You're basically promoting other people's products as an affiliate for higher commissions. All right? So let's do the math. Let's do the money math, which is really important, okay? Because we want to know economics, how this works. So the first thing is, let's say for 97 product and 250 US dollar product. So we have actually a bundle with front-end product and upsells. Okay? In this case, with 90% commission, you can make $352 per video. And in another case, if you do it together, you make together $860 US per video. Okay, let's say bare minimum, you have only one video that gets 30 to 50,000 views. In this case, you can make $860 per week, which is not bad, right? For 20 minutes of your work, you're making $860 from one video on TikTok per week. Okay, but of course, there is psychology of marketing behind that. Okay, so if you're wondering, okay, heck, all right, I want to do this, but how to actually put it into action? You can see when I work with someone one-on-one, what we get done together over the Zoom call is actually set up the affiliate campaign, also with Facebook ads, also with Google pay-per-click ads. But in this case, I'm talking about TikTok ads, and we are using TikTok free traffic, organic traffic, combined with, of course, paid traffic. So for first 7 days, you could be running ad campaign for $10 per day on TikTok, and next week you stop running ads, zero ad spend, and yes, you can still make affiliate commissions from ClickBank. Why? Because the TikTok algorithm, okay, pushes out your offer. As you can see, right? The algorithm, the AI, doesn't care about your face. It cares about engagement. It's about buyers' clicks, buyers' intent. All right? So how we do it, as you can see, why it works is because we have invisible funnel architecture, okay? Meaning we build for you quiz funnel, which segment audience based on psychology. Are they males, females, high emotional state, or low emotional state, which is very important. Why? Because it's all about conversions, it's all about language patterns, copywriting, and marketing psychology at the end of the day. It's human being who is buying those products. You don't have to believe me. Go and Google after this video. Go and Google TikTok Shop Live Selling, and you will see the e-commerce, and you will understand that mindset of buyers, it's already there. So you don't have to do any persuasion or tricks. No, you just have to understand how it works on a deeper level of this game of affiliate marketing, and you are able to utilize and leverage before Christmas to start having campaigns that are printing or giving you at least $150, $250, or even $500 or more per day per video as an affiliate. Okay, so all it takes, it's one offer to set you free to actually have, I don't know, $3,000 to $10,000 a month on TikTok without showing your face, without making any videos. Even if you have never tried ClickBank affiliate marketing, and even if you have never created even your own TikTok account. Okay, it's simple and easy once you actually have someone who can show you step by step, one-on-one, along the way, how to set it up and how to move it so you can fast forward yourself and finally start having results once for all. Right? So as you watch this video, you can reach out to me. There's my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal phone number, my email, my Facebook Messenger, and even, as you can see over here, okay, my Instagram. So you can reach out to me on my Instagram over here. You can follow me, DM me, ask me any questions you want if you really want to take it to the next level and start having the result that you desire. Okay, so at the end, it's decision time. You can forget about this video. You can go back to whatever you did before. You can keep trying alone, or as smart affiliates, as smart people doing, you can follow the proven system that will allow you to not only learn, but to get access to deploy these campaigns. It will allow you to start having results, and it will allow you to start having daily affiliate autopilot commissions for yourself.